I just want to entitle this video, I Can't Give Up. I wish I could give up. You know, I keep trying different things with this YouTube. Now it's YouTube, but I love to cook, bake, and decorate. And I've been like this since I was 5, 6, 7 years old. I cannot give it up. And I want to send a shout out to Tabitha Brown because I saw her. My baby sister has been so invested in her from the very beginning, and for a while I couldn't watch her and I couldn't figure it out. But then when she said that she was a seer, I was like, oh my goodness. You know, and I don't discuss this very much, but some people call it the gift of prophecy, and I've always had that since I was a little girl. And then I was like, that is what it is with Tabitha. But she said this, and I really appreciate her saying this. I saw some of her interviews, and she said something that would not let me give up on it. And that's how I feel. So if you're somebody like me who's creative, I had a friend who did an event. I was working at a school that time, and like I said, he said, why are you doing this when you can do so many other things? And I said, I have to be able to take care of myself. So